That same night, he notices his dog behaving strangely, staring off at the same area for long periods of time, so he pulls his phone out to record it.
Hold on, bud, huh? What you looking at there, bud? What you looking at there, buddy, huh? Hey, look at that. What are you doing? Hey, cheese. Hey, cheese. Hey, cheese, buddy. Cheese, 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 cheese. Hey, cheeseburger. What the fuck?
As the dog keeps looking to the side, the curtain behind it suddenly moves. As the curtain opens, nobody is seen behind them. So did the dog sense whatever was on the porch that night? And did it enter their house? You judge.